Welcome back. Now, in this module, we are going to be looking at design portfolio. So, this video tutorial, I will be introducing you to design portfolio. What is design portfolio and what are the importance of a design portfolio as a graphic designer? So, let's get started. Now, what's the design portfolio? A design portfolio is a collection of work that showcases a designer's skills, creativity, and range of projects. So, it is just a collection of those projects that a designer has engaged in. Okay, so it is to showcase designers' skills, is to showcase designers' creativity, and also a range of products that that designer has actually embarked upon. Now, it typically includes examples of graphic design, web design, or other visual work to demonstrate designers' abilities to potential clients or employers. So, this is a way of presenting yourself as an authority in your field as a graphic designer, and this is done by showcasing your skills through the various projects that you have done to your clients or employers. Okay, so that is what design portfolio is all about. Now, what are the importance of design portfolio? What are the importance of design portfolio? Now, the first one is the showcasing skills. Okay, we use design portfolio to showcase skills. Portfolios display a designer's skills and expertise, providing tangible examples of their work to potential clients or employers. Now, clients or employers don't usually ask for your certificates because that won't get the job done. So, what they usually ask for are samples or templates of work that you have done in the past that are very relevant to what they want or what you are bidding for. Okay, so they want to see examples of your work. They want to see your creativity, your skills. And then that is only shown by the samples of your work that you have done in the past. So we use design portfolio to showcase skills. Now, number two importance of design portfolio is that it gives a first impression. A well-crafted portfolio creates a positive first impression, influencing how others perceive a designer's capability and style. Now, when you engage an employer and you begin to talk and talk, that might not actually do much of convincing until you showcase your samples, projects that you have worked upon in the past. And this may actually sway your clients in your favor, especially if those projects are well executed and are visually appealing. Okay, so it gives a first impression of your capabilities to your client. Now, number three, versatility demonstration. That's also another importance of design portfolio. Now, portfolios highlight a designer's versatility by showcasing a diverse range of projects, illustrating the ability to adapt to different design challenges. Okay, so as a graphic designer, you may have a range of flyers that you have done, maybe church flyers, maybe social media flyers, maybe brand flyers, product flyers, all types of flyers that you've done. And then this would uh, register some sense of versatility in the mind of your clients, and then will give them the confidence that you are flexible, versatile, and adaptable enough to take on that project. Okay, so that's another importance. Another importance is professional credibility. Okay, a polished portfolio enhances a designer's professional credibility, instilling confidence in those considering their services or hitting them for a job. Now, when you design your portfolio and it is well organized, well structured, and the samples are top notch, now it has a way of giving you out as someone who knows his onion, someone who is professional, and somebody who knows what he's doing. And so this actually boosts confidence and also convince your would-be clients about your personality. So this is also another importance. Now, another importance of design portfolio is career advancement. An effective portfolio can open up new career opportunities by attracting clients, collaborators, or job offers in the competitive design industry. So when you have a well-structured design portfolio, it can also help you advance in your careers. Uh, Clients, employers can actually reach out to you and they want to draft you into their team, and want to engage your services in whatever project they are doing at the moment. So that can also be some sort of career advancement for you. Then the next one is another importance: storytelling. Portfolio allow designers to tell a visual story about their design journey, evolution, and the problem-solving skills they bring to the table. Okay, so when you look at the various samples, you will see pattern of how these designers have actually evolved over the years. So this is also a way of telling stories of your creativity. All right. Now another one is personal branding. It serves as a tool for personal branding, helping designers establish a distinctive identity and style that sets them apart in the market. So when you look at your designs and they see how you use your color, how you use the brand asset, it has a way of giving you some professional assessment of your capabilities, and at the same time it also helps to project the kind of brands that you represent. Okay. And we have client communication. Portfolio facilitate communication with clients by providing a tangible reference for discussing design preferences, styles, and project expectations. So when I have given you my sample as a graphic designer, it helps to actually make the communication very easy, as you now know what I'm capable of, and then you want to align it with whatever project you have and see if there are things we could align and things that we could also do differently. So this has a way of making communication with your client much easier, much easier. All right. Now another one is reflecting growth. Reflecting growth. Now this is also another importance. Now over time, portfolios can document a designer's growth and improvement, showcasing a progression of skills and an evolving design aesthetic. Now what that means is that over the years, your portfolio will indicate some level of growth that you have experienced over the years. Okay, because it leaves a pattern. The way you have been designing 5 years ago will be different from the ways you will design now, and all of these are documented in your portfolio. So that's a way of giving an overview of the kind of growth that you have experienced over the years. And that is what a portfolio does. It helps you to reflect your growth, and at the same time also it also helps you to see how you have also diversified. You may just start with graphic design, and then along the line they see samples of logos, then maybe along the line they see samples of UI and UX designs that you've done. So all of these are a way of reflecting your growth, that you have actually, you know, accommodate some other aspect of graphic designs that you didn't start with. So this is also a way of reflecting growth. So these are all the various importance of design portfolio that are available. All right. So with this, we have come to the end of the module on the importance of design portfolio and what is design portfolio. So in the next module, you are going to be learning how to create design portfolios from Crivado and also from Canva. Now, Crivado is just to show you how portfolios are designed, but I would recommend that your portfolio should be created on Canva, as that's a one is more comprehensive and more robust than the one of Crivado. Okay, so with that, I would be saying bye, and then I will see you in the next video.